Well, more than 10% of the people on welfare in Spokane will be kicked off by the end of February because of budget cuts. Governor Chris Gregoire is cutting $51 million from state welfare as part of an effort to balance the budget. The governor said yesterday that lawmakers need to pass a supplemental budget, cutting $500 million before the end of the year. And the state budget for the next 3 years needs to be cut another 10%. KXLY4's McKay Allen tells us that Work First, based in Spokane, will be hit hard by the cuts.
So there's a real spike in families in Spokane that have been affected by the economy.
Pete Casimir, a Work First administrator, says the need at his office is growing.
In the last 2 months, in June and July, we've seen a spike for a 2-month time period that we haven't seen since September and October of 2008.
Work First spends over $968 million a year. It's a huge and some say unwieldy program with services spread across 5 state agencies.
Well, what Work First does is a comprehensive program to really help families in need, to give them income for the month, to be able to take care of basic needs, provides food, and provides medical.
But new budget cuts announced by the governor yesterday slash $51 million from the program. Beginning in February, 527 of the 4,300 Spokane Work First families will be effectively removed from welfare rolls. They'll lose monthly stipends and child care assistance, but will still likely receive food stamps and medical care.
So it will make the household budgets a little tighter, and they're just going to have to manage their money much closer.
It'll force families, Casimir says, to decrease their reliance on the state.
Families will have to be much more careful of how they use those temporary funds.
That was McKay Allen reporting. It is unlikely that the budget cuts will stop here. The governor informed nearly every state agency that they should expect cuts from 4 to 7% next year.